Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a sleek and functional domain name management interface using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the component you see on the screen now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a basic container for our interface. We'll use Tailwind classes like bggray100 for background color, p4 for padding, m4 for margin, rounded-lg for rounded corners, and shadow-md for a subtle shadow effect. Next, we'll add a heading inside our container. We'll use text-xl for larger text, font-semibold for boldness, and text-gray-700 for the text color. Let's create a space for our domain items using a div with the class space-y4. This will ensure there's consistent vertical spacing between each item. Now let's add a domain item inside our space-y4 div. We'll use border for a border around the item, p4 for padding, and rounded-lg for rounded corners. Inside, we'll display the domain name with font-semibold. Let's add a button to manage the domain. We'll use bgblue500 for the button's background, text white for the text color, p2 for padding, rounded-lg for rounded corners, hover, bgblue700 for a hover effect, and focus, outline none to remove the default focus outline. To demonstrate multiple domain items, let's add another domain entry with the same structure. This shows how easy it is to replicate components with Tailwind CSS. To center our component on the page, we use max-WMD to limit the width and MX-Auto to center it horizontally. This ensures our interface looks great on all screen sizes. And there you have it. We've successfully built a domain name management interface using Tailwind CSS. We covered essential Tailwind classes and how they help in creating responsive and visually appealing components. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you next time on Tailwind.